How to turn on Do Not Disturb on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the Control Center. The Control Center provides quick access to frequently used settings and apps. You will see a group of icons over here. Tap on the focus button as shown. And then, select the Do Not Disturb button at the top to turn it on. You have now successfully turned on Do Not Disturb on your phone. Do Not Disturb silences calls, texts, and notifications to reduce distractions during activities like working, sleeping, or driving, preventing the phone from ringing, vibrating, or lighting up the screen. As you can see, a crescent moon icon will now be displayed on your home screen at the top left corner. This means that Do Not Disturb is currently active. Following these steps, you can easily turn on Do Not Disturb on iPhone.